Hello everyone, welcome to my channel AI World with JSR, and today we are going to talk about a new and interesting topic. Today, we are bringing the power of next-generation AI to work, introducing Microsoft 365 Copilot, your Copilot for work. It combines the power of large language models, LLMs, with your data in the Microsoft Graph and the Microsoft 365 apps to turn your words into the most powerful productivity tool on the planet. Stepping into the spotlight, we find Microsoft, a tech giant that has consistently been at the forefront of technological advancements. Microsoft's commitment to AI and machine learning is no secret. They have been investing heavily in these technologies, pushing boundaries and driving innovation. Their dedication to AI is evident in their role in the development of Copilot. Microsoft, in partnership with GitHub, has been instrumental in bringing Copilot to life. They have harnessed the power of AI to create a tool that not only simplifies coding, but also makes it more intuitive and efficient. Microsoft's extensive experience and expertise in AI and machine learning have been crucial in training Copilot to understand coding languages, patterns, and best practices. But Microsoft's vision doesn't stop at Copilot. They see a future where AI is an integral part of coding, a future where AI-powered tools like Copilot are commonplace, helping coders at all levels to be more productive and write better code. Microsoft's role in the development and promotion of Copilot shines a spotlight on their dedication to revolutionizing the coding world. They are not just embracing the rise of AI in coding, they are actively driving it. Microsoft's Copilot is a testament to their commitment to harnessing the power of AI to redefine the boundaries of what we can achieve with coding. So, as we delve deeper into the world of AI and coding, let's keep a keen eye on Microsoft. They are, after all, one of the key players shaping the future of this exciting field. So, what exactly is Copilot? It's a game-changing tool developed by Microsoft and GitHub. Delving into the world of artificial intelligence and its application in coding, we find Copilot sitting at the intersection. This revolutionary tool is the brainchild of Microsoft and GitHub, two giants in the tech industry who have been at the forefront of innovation. Copilot isn't just any tool though. It's an AI-powered code completion tool designed to help developers write code quickly and efficiently. But how does it do that? Well, it's all about AI and machine learning. Copilot leverages the power of these technologies to understand the nuances of coding languages, patterns, and best practices. It's like having an expert coder sitting next to you, suggesting the next line of code as you type. The origins of Copilot trace back to a project called Codex, a new AI system developed by OpenAI. Microsoft and GitHub took this technology and tailored it to the specific needs of developers. They trained Copilot on a diverse range of public code repositories, enabling it to generate completions for a wide array of applications in numerous coding languages. The potential of this tool is truly immense. It's not just about speeding up the coding process, but also about improving the quality of the code. Copilot understands the context of the code you're writing and proposes relevant completions. It's not about replacing developers, but rather augmenting their abilities, helping them to be more productive and write better code. But Copilot isn't just for seasoned developers. It's also an excellent learning tool for those new to coding. It can help novices understand coding patterns and practices, and it offers suggestions that can help them learn and grow. So there you have it, a quick introduction to Copilot. It's an AI-powered coding assistant developed by Microsoft and GitHub, designed to make the coding process more efficient and enjoyable. It's a tool that's reshaping the way we code and the way we think about coding. The benefits of using Copilot are immense, especially for developers. Why should you, as a developer, start using Copilot? Let's delve into the benefits. First and foremost, Copilot is a time saver. It's like riding a bicycle with an electric motor. You're still pedaling, but the motor is there to give you an extra push when you need it. Copilot helps you write code faster by suggesting entire lines or blocks of code as you type. It's like having another developer by your side who can read your mind and knows exactly what you're going to type next. But it's not just about speed, it's about efficiency too. Copilot helps you write cleaner and more reliable code. It's been trained on a vast array of public code repositories, which means it's seen millions of solutions to countless problems. It can suggest the most efficient solutions based on this knowledge, often catching bugs and other issues before they become a problem. It's like having a seasoned developer looking over your shoulder, gently nudging you in the right direction when you're about to take a wrong turn. Another significant benefit of using Copilot is that it's a fantastic learning tool. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a newbie in the world of coding, there's always room to learn and grow. Copilot can provide insights into different coding styles and techniques that you might not have encountered otherwise. It's like having a mentor who's always there to teach you something new. Finally, let's not forget about the convenience factor. Copilot works right inside your code editor, so there's no need to switch between different tools or windows. It's always there, ready to assist you when you need it. In summary, Copilot is more than just a coding assistant. It's a tool that not only enhances productivity, but also fosters continuous learning. It's like having a trusted companion on your journey through the ever-evolving landscape of coding, always ready to lend a hand when you need it. Copilot is a tool that not only enhances productivity, but also fosters continuous learning. Now, why not take the leap and give Copilot a try? Consider this for a moment. You're in the middle of a coding session. You're stuck, unsure of how to proceed. Now, imagine having a tool that can suggest solutions, guide you through the process, and even write code for you. That's Copilot for you. It's not just a tool, it's a virtual companion that can make your coding journey smoother and more efficient. Whether you're a seasoned developer or someone who's just starting on this path, Copilot can be a game changer. It's like having a mentor, a guide, who's there with you at every step. With Copilot, you're not alone in the coding world. It can help you navigate through complex codes, suggest improvements, and even help you learn new coding languages. It's a tool that grows with you, adapting to your coding style and helping you become a better programmer with each passing day. And here's the best part. Integrating Copilot into your current coding setup is a breeze. It's designed to seamlessly fit into your workflow, making the transition smooth and hassle-free. But don't just take our word for it. Try it out for yourself. See how it can transform the way you code, the way you solve problems. Experience the power of AI in coding firsthand. With Copilot, you're not just coding, you're coding smarter, faster, and more efficiently. Remember, the future of coding is here. It's AI-powered, it's dynamic, it's transformative, and you have the opportunity to be a part of it. Don't let this chance pass you by. So gear up, embrace the future of coding with Copilot, and take your coding skills to the next level. Thank you all for joining us on AI World with JSR. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more. Until next time, I am signing off. See you in the next video on AI World with JSR. Thank you.